Recording. I bet. We took one trade today. This is the longest trade I've ever been in. It was actually insane. Um, Executions. First of all, let's go on news. We had high impact today. Um, all the way up to 9 a.m. I wasn't gonna wait for this. But yeah, high impact. So I waited till news come out. Uh, this was news candle. So would I my bias didn't really have much of a bias. Let's am I talking too loud? Maybe I'm talking too loud. Uh yeah, I'm talking too loud. But I'm trying to see. So I'm just gonna go over my trade. So we swept liquidity, right? News candle came out. I waited for news to come out. Boring. This was decent. We had an invalidation right here. But then again, my rules, I followed my rules, followed my plan. Waited till high impact news came out, 9 o'clock. Waited, looking for anything. Oh, I saw we swept liquidity. Went on the 2 minute. Saw this fair value gap. We got an invalidation to break a structure. All in one, I was like, okay, I'm entering, no hesitation. And during this trade, I was like, don't do it to me, don't do it to me. But it did it to me. We got this good price action going into our direction, and then just fell down from there. I had one contract in. If I had two contracts or more, I was gonna take partials. I was gonna take like around here. I was gonna take half of my position or more off and just let it run to these highs or this high. But that's not what happened. That's not what we had. And I mean, look at this. Look how long this trade took. I entered at 9:30ish. We get stopped out at like 1:20. Almost 4 hours in a trade. And would you look at that? Oh, what happens? Stop loss? Oh, goes all the way up almost to our take profit, to the highest point we ever were into our in our trade. I mean, this is hilarious. I'm trying to think of like what I could have did better. Let's go over the pros of this trade. I waited for my rule, or I followed my plan, which is a W. So that's indication of a green day. Let's make sure I followed my rules. But I'm pretty positive. I'm looking at it right now. Let's see. Yes, I literally followed all my rules, my trading plan. I traded my edge, my strategy, and it is what it is. Stuff happens. This type of thing happens. I risked it even less a percent. So then again, maybe I broke a rule, but no, I didn't break any rules. I followed my plan, followed my rules. Negative $74 on the day, on the demo. And now this is a bad number right here. But yeah, we're sitting at negative 4-ish%. Not even full, like 3.5. But yeah. Down 334 on the month. But I'm still sticking with it. I still feel confident. Like I still want to try to get a funded account and actually like have real emotions, play with real money. Even then, it's still like a demo account technically, but I am putting money in to buy the account, so I am putting money on the line. So yeah, I still want to because I still have confidence in myself, my strategy, my my psychology, all that. So I'm still willing to do that. It's just, unfortunate that we lost this trade and now we're 0-3 on the month. I'm just going to count. So this was one loss, and then I took 2 trades this day. I'm just going to count it as 3 losses. I didn't really win this month. So 0-3 on the month. Tomorrow is pretty high impact as well. All the way to 9:30. So yeah, I'll still be available tomorrow. Then we have Friday, and then that's the month. So it's still possible, but most likely that we're gonna end red on the month. Still possible we can end up green somehow, just depending on what happens with the market. So trying to think of anything I should say. We had ES open, by the way, and once I saw on ES this high get taken out, on what we based our take profit on right here. This was right here. Once I saw ES got, like, NQ was lacking behind ES today. And look, when we hit this high, look where we were on NQ, bro. We were literally right here. I mean, that's not, ideal, bro. So, yeah, we just got stopped out. And if this hits take profit, this is going to be so funny. I don't even know. It is what it is, I guess. But yeah, I'm still not 100% sure what I'm going to do. I honestly should have made this account 50K instead of 10K to one practice for like the funded account, because that's probably what I'm going to start at, 50K funded account. And so I probably should have got reps in using the getting used to having an account that's 50K. But yeah. And also so I can have more contracts to have in a place in a trade, so I can take off, like what I just mentioned earlier. I would have taken partials off and we would have been done for the day relatively quick, because I would have took profits right here and then moved stop at a break even. We would have got break even done for the day. I don't want my days to be this long. And granted, I did not sit on the chart waiting for something to get hit. Like, I just went along my day, but still, I don't want to have to worry about a trade, constantly looking at my phone. I had alerts on, but still, I want to see how the trade is doing itself. So, yeah, I mean, I don't know. What could I have done better? I mean, I followed my plan. Maybe like wait for a bigger invalidation, but I mean, that's everything I wanted to see: a liquidity sweep, a clean invalidation. I mean, I don't know. I don't know what else I could have done. So, I mean, I'm considering this a green day. Like, this is a pretty good trade in my opinion. I am not gonna lie. I mean, we swept data lows, and I was looking forward to take out these highs. Like, I mean, this is good because I'm not taking bad losses in my opinion. So, I'm happy with this trade, and we're just gonna come back better. That's about it. I really don't have much else to say. Jesus Christ. Yeah, I really don't know what else, bro. This month's I've been seeing a lot of people say this is their best month, which sucks because this is probably not my worst, but like, obviously, if you think, or if people have good months, like if it's your best month, then price action for them is probably good in their opinion. But this month's Price action to me is just so mid. I'm sorry, I had to say. Just so mid. I mean, look at ES. ES is like we maintain like bullish structure throughout this whole day on ES, but look at NQs. Like it's so unlike NQ. Like NQ, what you doing, bruh? NQ. Usually it's ES doing that, but no more yapping. I've been talking 10 minutes. Jesus, I don't know how people talk this long. I don't want to forget anything. Do I have anything else to say? Do I? That's about it. Yeah, that's it. I'm out of here. Maybe I see you tomorrow. Goodbye.